Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 1998 Chrysler Town & Country mobility van. This is electric ramp and door. Best way to do this is I get inside, I turn them on so that ramp is running off the battery. Fire it up there. You can see this yellow button here. We can hold it down. What it does, you have to hold it down. It forces that door open, it forces the ramp down. I like this. It's much better than touch of a button. You buy the older button, touch of a button, they're very sensitive. They're very problematic. I can promise you, you're gonna be dropping a couple $1,000s in that ramp and door right away. We actually sold this vehicle to a customer of ours. Sold it to a customer of ours about 3 or 4 years ago. They used it, they no longer need it. They kept it pretty clean. Carpets are a little dirty. It does have the tie down points in it. Those are actually ratcheting kind of moving straps. Will hook in one side, the other side will hook onto the chair. It's got the leather interior. Headliner's clean. Now for the age, this is a pretty clean van. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or undue odors in this van. It does have removable driver and passenger seats, so if you wanted to remove the passenger seat and get 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or just have your wheelchair park up next to the driver up front, that would be fine too. It does have the dual sliding doors, so you can get in on both sides of the van from the inside of the van. This does not open. If you want us to look at it on your dime, we can. I'm being honest with you. I'm telling you that it doesn't open. And we've done a lot of work to this van. We've got to keep these affordable. I cannot make this 1998 van a brand new van and keep it affordable, but I can do a lot of work to it, which we've done. We've got all the receipts. Left front wheel hub replaced, battery replaced, door lock actuator replaced, engine and transmission mount. Did a little body repair on the outside, just a cracked body panel. They're low to the ground. Put a new rear view mirror in it, passenger armrest. We got that fixed. So wiper blades, bulb out, wiper motor. So we did a lot of work to this van. We're not trying to make them perfect. We're trying to make them functional. So when it gets back up, when you want to put the ramp back up, you can hold the button here, or you can hold the one up front. And any work you want done to this van, we can do more work to it, but I'm trying to keep it at a price point that the average family can afford. Do a quick walk around to the van. It's got the alloy wheels. All the tires are hand cooks. They're 7/32, so that tells me the driver, the previous owner, not only put nice tires on it, they kept them rotated. They took care of the van. It's got tinted windows. It's got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. It does have a few small scratches of touch-up paint in it. That is to be expected, on a van this age. But overall, you can tell by the pictures in the video, the paint still shines. It looks nice. I'll get it out on the highway so you can hear it run. But overall, pretty clean van for the age. You're not going to find many cleaner that have had quite a bit of work done to them. Small little dent here, some touch-up paint there. So if you're looking for a perfect van, you're looking in the wrong price range. If you're looking for a nice van that seems to run and drive nice, got a lot of great qualities to it, this may be the van for you. We got 2 sets of keys. When I go to turn the van on, as you saw, fires up first time every time. No check engine lights, no dummy lights. Current miles 96,617. It's got the rear air as well. Underneath the hood has a 3.8 V6 engine, very clean. No signs of any leak. There's our new battery. Good response. Idles smoothly. I'm gonna crawl underneath the van. Kind of dark in this warehouse, but underneath here, but it's very clean. Let's see if I can get a light under here. All right, got a little light under here. As you can see, it's not all rusted out. I mean, definitely be a little surface rust, but it's clean. It's not all bent up. For the age of this van, it's a very nice van. And that's one of the number one mistakes people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because the salesman was nice to them, they assume it looked pretty in pictures. They assume, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume that it's not all rusted out underneath, and nothing could be further from the truth. So that's why we do these videos. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. And I want to be honest with you, you're not getting a perfect van, but you're getting a van that runs and drives good. We've done a lot of work to it. Got these rear window vents. Got one over there. Okay. Neither of the rear window vents work. You know, I'm honest with you. I told you about it. So let me get this van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive so you can hear the engine run. You can feel the transmission shift. And you know that whether we help you arrange affordable shipping out to you, or if you come in and pick this van up and drive it home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure the van is roadworthy. We've made sure it runs and drives good. Accelerates nicely, get it up to about 65 miles an hour there. You see the steering wheel's nice and straight. And it's cockeyed to the right a little bit, but it steers straight. So again, shooting you straight, letting you know what you're getting into. Cruise control works. You can see the cruise light down there, so the cruise works nicely. And I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. I was looking on eBay yesterday. We have almost 700 transactions. We've never received negative feedback. That's almost 700 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. My point is that we're honest, we're fair. With that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. I strongly recommend buying an extended warranty with each used vehicle. We sell our extended warranties very affordably. Talk to me about those. They can also help cover the conversion as well if anything were to go wrong with that. And I know a lot of the dealers out there that have a real nice price online. They have administrative fees, document fees, tag fees. They have all these fees up to $500, $1,000 they didn't tell you about. And trust me, folks, that's not how I do business. Let me do a nice hard brake here real quick. Nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. So very nice van, runs and drives very nice. Obviously it's not brand new or nowhere close to it, but seems to be a nice van, runs and drives good. Back to comparing us to the competition. We don't have any hidden fees, and my question to you is, if someone's going to hide fees from you, if they're not going to tell you about about money, they're going to hide that from you, what else are they hiding? Are they not telling you about mechanical issues? Are they not telling you about an accident they know about? Are they not telling you about some other things? So just keep that in mind. And when you call the competition, you're most likely going to talk to a used car salesman. Those used car salesmen, they're going to be bouncing around. They chase that commission check. They'll probably have a new job somewhere else in a couple months at a different dealership. As far as me, though, I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I want you to get the truth. I want you to get a good deal. I want you to repeat business, and I want you telling your family and your friends about us. So if you want to talk to a used car salesman, give the competition a call. If you want to talk to the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. By the way, that little eyesore over there, we're going to try to get a little patch or cover over that. It's not going to look perfect, but I'm aware of it. We're going to work on it, so just be aware. Not trying to hide anything from you. It should look much better than that by the time we are done. If you want any pictures of the finished product, let me know before you buy. 316-262-8267. Give me a call. If text messaging is easier for you, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to talk to the competition. I want you to ask them. I want you to say, hey, I want the owner's cell phone number. Talk to one of those big companies like Freedom Motors or a Braun Corporation or something like that. See if they care about customer service enough to give you the owner's cell phone number. And we do have financing available. I'm going to be honest, financing on an older van like this is going to be tough. We can always try. This is most likely going to end up being a cash deal, if someone has a trade-in on this. And you can see our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.